Adventure Quest Worlds Unity. This seems to be the name that they are running with for this new version of AQWorlds Unity, aka AQ2D. So Diagon, Spider, J6, Tunic, and Artix got together to rework the mobile/PC version of the Quest interface, and this is going to be rather interesting to see what they've come up with. So we got the new Quest Accept thing right here. Gives a rough layout of what it looks like, that's a good style. And then you've got this when you open up. So you have a template here. This was Spider's suggestion to have a preview feature for the Quest rewards. That is really, really good. So this would be the same preview window as the normal stuff when you're equipping things or destroying things. So that's very nice. Be able to track it right there. Get your little NPC. Right, I love this whole... That's so funny. That is... thing. I really want to put a speech bubble behind the spoken text if you are standing with an NPC. That is an interesting idea. That would be more immersive. One issue is that the name is missing from the quest giver if they are present. Ooh, possibly could add that to the speech bubble, but what if there is no NPC? And this is what it would look like with no NPC, with the option to teleport to the quest giver. This is it's got here Ash the anti-hero in Evil Dread. Sorry, that's the quest giver, and then you could teleport right directly to that location. That is going to be really freaking awesome. Really wish they had that in AQWorlds, the current version. That'd be really, really nice. Best feature ever, as they make mention to it. Designing the gray boxes. So Diagon has been working with his skills, and he put together the box version. So there's the box version right there. You can see this is the simple template right here, and it's so simplistic. It's funny though. This is how things start. You know, in an alpha version, this is what it would look like. Currently, he's working on taking J6's art pieces and blending it together on a final design. Very cool. I love how they start so basic and then it really, polishes it up. So we have Wednesday. Now this is from last week, since they're doing a double take. Inventory and shop are now using the exact same sizing, which is good. The dialogger. This is something they've been having issues with, and they've been fixing slowly and steadily, so it's coming together nicely. Mobile chat scrolling part is now a bit shorter. Combat, you've got your death fade function. When you kill monsters, they now disappear. Still needs a delay. Oh, so they instant disappear right now. Targeting monsters now shows the level of the monster, I'm assuming. Monsters use a separate table. Levels and HP are being assigned by default based on a curve from the balance testers. Cool. Enhancements being added in progress. Ooh, so they do have enhancements for things. That's going to be really nice. Quests. Quest detail can be pulled up from the quest notification in the upper right, and tracking, of course, this will be fully functional. This is going to be so good. There's just reading through this stuff, it's given me so much promise for what AQWorlds Unity is going to be like. Dev commands, objective, deb cheat working. This is all for dev related stuff. Possibly future hacker stuff. Found a bug where the quest was not being removed from the upper right after being turned in. When traveling to a new area with a story, you will now see the new story, and you'll be able to click on it to get started on the story in that area. Yellow text in the center of the screen shows when you get drops that count towards completing the quest. Ooh, just like in the existing game. Any quest that has a map and ID defined for it will allow you to teleport to the quest giver. When returning to an story area, it will tell you if you have any quests left to finish off, and allows you to pick up from there. Great. So there's progress. This is one thing. When I'm in the middle of a quest, now there is a pin. You can actually pin your quest now, but otherwise, if I can remember back in the day, without no pinned quest, you'd be doing a quest, and then if you got kicked from the server, or if you needed to log out and then you log back in, you'd have to start the quest all over again. It was rather frustrating. So I'm hoping this is not going to be the same way. Tracking a story quest when returning to the zone did not make it into the current tracked quest. That's a bug. Adding dialogue hooks so we can have dialogue only quests. Ooh, okay. Just an interact like talk to younger and those type of things. Rogue no longer slides when using the footwork skill. Oh, Rogue was sliding? That's funny. Need a UI design meeting with Arctix, J6, Diagon, and Tunic. Need the ability to abandon quests. Urgently need to put art in the Steam store. So this is urgently need. This is like high priority. Got to get in there so that you can wish to play this on thing. When the server is reset and players click on join server, you get stuck on a spinner with no way to get out of it. Oh no. Needing to add a back button or an attempt. Now they do have that on AQ3D. When you go in, if you get stuck in the load in, it does a back thing pops up. That was last week. So this week, the stuff that they did on Wednesday this week, bug in test cutscene fixed, the map screen null reference error fixed, the dialoguer, they've got a bunch of stuff here. Story time, Warlick gave Tunic a horrific scare by refactoring the dialogue system last week. Substring searching was coming up with a negative length and it was failing to parse the substring. So Warlick rewrote it not to rely on substring parsing. All the dialogue commands that spawn actors now get turned into a dialoguer command class that already has all of the command perimeters built in. Very efficient, but an absolute horror to open and see if you are working on it, but did not know it was coming. And game commands level now works for devs to set their testing level. Go to is working. These are all commands, of course, that the devs have access to. Kill, accepted parameter of which target currently allows you to kill other players too. Oh, very nice. Typing it without a parameter will target self. Oh, imagine you kill yourself. Player death. Okay, I guess that just kills you, I guess. Enhancement system. Need to finalize data sent to the client. Add or needs UI. And quest can trigger cutscenes. Yay. To test this, a quest was added to the layer, and when you enter for the first time, it plays a cutscene. Bugs and issues. So there's a bunch of different bugs here that they're going to be working on. You can just take a browse of that yourself. Need a final logo for the game with Gravelin at the center of the plot. It makes sense that we use some derivative of the Shadow Scythe logo. AQWorlds has never had an official logo. This new version should have a distinct logo that is also obviously AQWorlds unique. Need to start testing this full flow and get it ready for players. Ooh, so they're really going to be pushing this up. Now, he did mention previously he wanted some kind of version of this out for players to try, at least in October. Some kind of launch in October. So, I mean, who knows? Depends on the strides that they take. Big goals. The biggest goal now are user interface polish, cutscenes, and bug hunting. Also, we really need to get that Steam page live so everyone can start wish listing Adventure Quest Worlds Unity, which is what they've been calling it for the last little bit. So I believe that is the name of the thing. That is the new name, Adventure Quests Unity. Until the next update, be safe, have fun, and laugh straight in the face of dread and doom. So, there we go. That is the current direction of Adventure Quests Unity. And I like that name. I am glad that they're not calling it Adventure Quests Mobile or something like that, because it would really confuse people, as it was not just a mobile port. It's available on Steam. Yes, most players will probably be on mobile, just like they are on AQ3D, but it's nice that they have this new change. I like that name. It's a good name. So, are you guys looking forward to this? I know I am. I'm really looking forward to this. This is something that I can't wait to get my hands on. So let me know in the comments below what you guys are looking forward to the most when it's coming to AQWorlds Unity. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.